if someone shares a file via Adobe Acrobat Reader to your email address, then what happens is that you'll receive an email notification like this. So you receive an email. So once you click on it, what happens is that you have an option where you get the information on like who has shared the document, what document has been shared, and whether or not you can comment on it. So in order to open out the file, simply click on open, and then what you can do is you can open out the Adobe Acrobat Reader web version, as you can see. So if you're signed in, then what you can do is you can go around and then comment on it. Let's say, for example, if I were to say, let's say, for example, good right here, and then post it, then the comment is added just like that over here. So you can go around and do a lot of things, like you can highlight right here, you can underline and so forth, because the comment is enabled. You can also go around, click somewhere, and then attach a specific comment to it. And then what happens is that it gets attached onto the PDF file. Another thing that you can do is you can click on open in Acrobat, and then what happens is that you can open in Acrobat DC, and it gets opened up in your Acrobat right here as well. And that is how you can access out files shared by others from within Adobe Acrobat Reader. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.